Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust manual steering wheel in 2011 Suzuki SX4. This is gonna apply to all Suzuki SX4s. To adjust your manual steering wheel, you will have to look all the way down the steering column until you reach this lever. So to unlock steering wheel adjustment, you will have to pull this lever up. And now you can adjust your steering wheel. You can go up with it or down with it. So this one is not telescopic, so you cannot pull it towards yourself or push it down. It just goes up and down. Once when you have your desired position, you just want to go back to that lever and you want to just push it down until it locks. And now your steering wheel is adjusted. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.